Yes, me there again, my people. Big up respect and the manners to each and everyone. Alright, so I have at least one video that I'm going to present to you and information to give to you as well. Alright, so first up, I'm going to present a video to you that had been recorded in Jamaica. The video that I'm about to present to you is going to show at least 3 damaged motor vehicles. And in my point of view, one of those motor vehicles is totally done for. That's in my point of view. See? So, based on information that I got, and I'm going to say allegedly, it is said that one motor vehicle that was being driven by someone collided with a motor vehicle that someone was driving, and at least one other motor vehicle had been damaged because of that incident. I did not get any confirmed information as to how many motor vehicles had been damaged, viewers and subscribers. See? Now, I don't have any confirmed information to give you exact details about any injury nor any fatality, viewers and subscribers. However, I saw a video that shows at least one person's body pinned inside of one of those motor vehicles that was involved in the accident. And in my point of view, that person was not moving, viewers and subscribers. Now, some people might call a situation like this a multi-vehicle accident. Some people might call a situation like this a traffic accident, viewers and subscribers. It depends on how you look at the situation. But overall, it's really bad. I want to say to each and every motorist, please take your time on the road. Take your time when you're driving on the road, especially when the road is wet, like when rain falls. You see me? So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's a video. Look, listen, observe. You can also tell me what I think.
What do you mean? Tell about which road, dog. I'm telling you, you know. I drive out from which road a bum buckler. Today, this a car you mash up to the engine. I spot that the man is spot the rake and run, you know. See that? Him spot the rake. Him spot the rake and run, you know.
Yeah, and the bus stay over there so too.
Yeah. Yeah, man, let's keep on. But there's a kingfisher done, you know.
What's that? The bus stay up there so that the bus have run off.
One per year. Need some ship per year. Yeah.
Hey, nobody knows. Yo!
What do you mean? Go there. Go there. I take him off it at the wheel, make him off it go there so see the wheel mark there.
One of them get out of car.
Wow. Alright, my people. So I want to say to each and every motorist, you know, take on the time on the road. Take your time when you're using the road. Drive safely for yourself and for others. That's what I'm saying to each and every motorist, alright? Alright, so if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now, I got information that the bodies of 4 persons was found in Central Village. That's in St. Catherine, Jamaica. Now, according to information that have been put out there on social media and according to Senior Superintendent Stephanie Lindsay, it is said that sometime after 3 a.m. or after 3:30 a.m. residents within the area heard explosions, and sometime after that the bodies of 4 men was found within the community. According to Stephanie Lindsay, one of those persons who was killed is said to be the leader of the Jaggy Jaggy gang. And she also named out a person of interest who she said was the original leader of the Jaggy Jaggy gang, and that he returned within the area last week. That's according to information that was put out there by head of the Corporate Communications Unit, Senior Superintendent Stephanie Lindsay. Now, there are some speculations about the situation, viewers and subscribers. I also saw a video about the situation as well too. See me? A horrible one in my point of view. But me just gonna leave it right there. So see me I say. So me just get information according to I got information, and I'm going to move on to another topic. Alright? Alright, so here I'm going to present an audio to you, and in this audio you can hear when a person said the word police and other words as well. You know, that's just a clue as to what the person was talking about. Alright, so would I like you to listen to this audio and tell me what you think. Observe me, people.
And the morning, Sunday morning, just get some tourists go visit a bird farm, right? Them pay them money, so we go visit the bird farm. And we, from the bird farm, we're supposed to go do bamboo rafting up by lled. So after I left from the bird farm, proceeding towards the police checkpoint, one police stopped me, right? Stop the vehicle. Me stop, comply, me stop the vehicle, and wind down the window. Him say he wants me, him ask me first if me have anything to declare. I tell him, say, no, me not nothing to declare. Okay, he say, alright, produce your driver's license and the papers for the vehicle. And he wants to see wine at the bus. So me open, it's a IS bus, so me open the sliding door, and you know, him say, well, go on, me have 7 tourists with me, 6 female and 1 male. Anyway, when I female them proceed to step out of the vehicle, so I tell her, so wait until them give instruction. Policeman will stop me, said to the tourists, everybody come out of the vehicle, you want to search the vehicle, you want to see if you have weed in a vehicle. Anyway, I tell him, so yeah man, you can go ahead and search the vehicle. See, that time when I step around, when I step out and have the license in my hand, because I never take the license from me yet, right? So after I search the vehicle, he come back to me and said to me, say, let me see your license, the documents them for the vehicle and the driver's license. However, me hand him the driver's license first, then him say, then me get the papers and me give him it. Alright, him look on the papers and say the fitness on the vehicle up expire. So me tell him, say, well, it's not my vehicle, it's a company vehicle, so I'm never aware of that. So he say, alright, he go give me a ticket for that. So I say, no problem, do your thing. By the time me quint and next police when they cross the road come round, when me and the first police stop me, then him come and say he want a search off my bag. Me have one little pouch bag me have cross me, when me put me wallet and money or any little thing when me have instead of them bulge up in my pocket. So me say he want search the bag. So me tell him, say, now I'm gonna make you search the bag because me have money in the bag and it's not my money, so me now gonna make you search. Me now give you the bag for search. However, me can open the bag and make you look in it. The other man saying want search the bag, he want search the bag. So me tell him, say, I'm not gonna give you the bag. Me take out the money out of the bag, put it in my top pocket, take out the rest of the item them out of the bag and open the bag and say, see the bag here if you can. You want to look in there, you can look in there, but me now just hand you the bag just like that. Him still, other man say, he want to search the bag. Anyway, him saying, go arrest me for obstructing the police. So I say, alright, do your thing, my boss. Anything you want, you do it, but me now go give you the bag. You understand? Because me I give it for looking at you, don't want to look at it. Anyway, that's how it escalate from him drape me up and push me in the shop. See, so me start get upset now, me start, you know, me customer say, what me couldn't deal with me so, what me couldn't deal with me so. Then him spin me around and push me down, me drop, lick up my head on the shop. You understand? That time they handcuff the palm me and everything, you know. They handcuff me and everything. seeing push me down all make me slide and drop on the place. After him push me down, him push me. So and when me I get up, him push me first, me head lick up on the shop. Then when me get up again, me head lick up on the shop again. Then he handcuff me, him did a call the patrol vehicle. At the same time now everybody start come out and start, you know, video and all of them something. Even the tourists them in the video see him here. You understand what I say? Then him carry me go down after I put patrol vehicle come in carry me go down at this station and say my write up whatever I write up and say my charge me for assaulting the police and obstructing the police and whatever the case may be. But what me I said, my boss, me never do them nothing. Me just go about my business. I work, me they working and them just stop me for no well, whatever the reason business stop me. But them never have to deal with me, say, you know. Yeah man, they never have to deal with
Wow. The people. Jano, me no know. That one they sound away. You see me I say? I want the sound away star. So what do you think about those words that the person said, my people, like for real? You know, because, you know, I gotta tell you one thing, I look upon it and I say to myself still, you know, Zane, because don't get me wrong, you know, there's good and bad in everything, and you have good and bad people, whether police or not, you see me? But what I say is that if somebody are doing job, and if the person have a certain amount of money, because like me, I do beer work now, because me usually do beer work, you know. And sometimes I find myself with over $1 million I carry in them the days then. So I say, so all of that me I use and I try to relate to some words that the person say. Even, you know, why me I tell you? I tell my people, set away. But anyway, that's why I have the court. That's why I have the courthouse, you know? Split justice. Or reach to justice, or go. See me I say. So let me know what you think, my people. I left it now. Big up, respect, and manners to each and every one. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.